Hi everybody, we are going to be counting unifix cubes today, and we're going to be counting different amounts, and another word for amount is quantities. So say right now, quantities. That means different amounts of the same thing. So you might have different quantities of cookies. You might have different quantities of unifix cubes. So here is what a unifix cube looks like. You might have used it at school, you might have some at home, but what we're going to do today is practice counting these. So we are going to figure out how many unifix cube I am holding right now. I wonder how many. So we're all going to count together right now. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 unifix cubes. We call this a unifix train, or we can just say a train of unifix cubes, okay? What would happen if I had another train? How many unifix cubes do I have in my hand right now? If you said 20, you are right. So now I have two groups of 10. I have 10 and 10, which makes 20. Now how many total unifix cubes do I have in my hand? So I have my 20 that I already knew about. Then I added some. How many did I add? 23. So I have 3 ones and 2 tens. So what I'm going to do now is draw a chart, or a simple chart, right on my whiteboard. So my chart, what that's going to look like is it's going to have some rows, and it's going to have some columns, which we kind of learned about before. This is going to be our total. We are going to have tens over here. We're going to have ones in the middle. So for how many unifix cubes I have in my hand, how many tens do we have? How many tens? If you said 2, you are correct. We had 2 tens, right? How many ones do we have? There we go. So our total amount is 23. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use our online program since we are not here in school, okay? And I am going to pull out, this is a unifix train. That's pretty cool, right? I'm going to pull out and we're going to figure out how many cubes I just put on our screen. So give me 1 second. You're being so patient. You could be thinking right now, how am I going to figure out how many total cubes are on this screen? So we are going to look at our cubes over here, and then we're going to write the total over on the side in our simple chart. So remember that each train has how many? It has 10. So I know I'm going to count my tens first. I have 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens. So I have 4 tens. Then let's count our ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7 ones. So we have 4 tens and 7 ones. So right now, you already know the total. Can you say it? What is the total amount of cubes on our board? 47. Way to go. Look at that. We can use our unifix cubes and count by tens. That's pretty awesome.